So guys, I always heard that Touch LCD Baba is fake. I saw in a YouTube video and I contacted these Touch LCD Baba and they just canceled my order. What way is that? How is that? How they um is that how they behave to customers? I think they don't have manners. But anyway, today we are checking if this thing is real or fake. So this is from Touch LCD Baba. This is real product. Never been unboxed. If you want to send me anything, feel free to do it. My address is down in the description, or you can check this. It's from this address. Sender is Touch LCD Baba. Origin is BKN. Destination PLG, something I don't know. Okay, it's the product. It's the Touch LCD display with frame for Euphoria. So let's get our dirty paper cutter. Now this is the dirtiest paper cutter you have ever seen in an unboxing video, right? So let's check this. Is this fake or real? Only one way to find out. Let's cut this bad boy. Focus, yeah. The phone on the sides. Okay guys, real good packing. Oh my days. Oh I tear the bill. Actually, I must promote this guy. They're trying so much hard to pack this little item. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I think they have a hard time packing this little thing. Anyway, let's just open this thing up. Okay, it's in transparent tape. And Touch LCD Baba also told that this would be in transparent tape. The tape in transparent, so it's not yet open, so I think it's genuine. And I often also record this video to show Touch LCD Baba if this is fake, or to return or refund my order. Okay. Okay guys, now is the real time. There's some thermocool, a box, really heavy box, thermocool. No, let's clean that up. Put all of them in this box and let that box be their side. Now let's check out this. Okay, looks pretty nice. It's by You Can Trust quality product. Okay, my guys, I'm real nervous. I'll keep this aside. Check out what is this paper. Okay, if you want to read this, please read them. Feel free to pause the video and read them. Oops. Okay, okay guys, that's it. Now let me read. Okay guys, I have read it. They says that don't remove any film, any protective film of the item. uh, if anything is wrong, they cannot replace it because it should be in original condition. So if you buy this product, make sure that you don't remove any film unless you check it. Now let's move on to the, this is the real product. Oh my god, I'm real nervous. Okay guys, that is the display. Oh yeah, this is okay, dude. This is awesome. Actually, this display is pretty sick, guys. Now, stay tuned for the replacement of this Euphoria. Stay tuned. Release is tomorrow.